Okay, you know, it's meal prep again. My daughter's out the hospital now for a couple of weeks. Let's keep her out of there. So we're trying to make some meals up again, meal prep. So today, she wants, because we've been giving her a lot of fish and chicken. I did make some more chicken. I've already shredded that up and some rice, but I only made a little bit because she's a little tired of it. So we'll give her a break. Today, I'm going to make, I know a lot of people don't like pork, but I'm making smothered pork chops for her. Just a few pieces now, hold on. So what I'm doing is I put them in the bag and I flour them up. Then I use my little olive oil, and I want them to be a little crispy before I put them in the gravy. So I put them in the fryer, and once I put them in the fryer, they look like this. Fried a little bit, just a little bit. And so then I'm gonna put them in my conventional, the oven over there that, you know, cook it a little bit longer. So then after I finish there, I will put them in the gravy. And then we'll cut them up because we know she got the